se mueve de aquí. Hasta que nos llamen la atención, nadie se mueve.
We are too soft, guys. It's first 10 seconds, okay? We run back. But the one-on-one contact, okay? We first to give the play one-on-one. They push us, they shoot. They push us, they shoot. We gotta play strong.
I respect your skills. I respect your skills. And this is my defense. Special is my defense.
I'm putting you in because you are good. There is a screen here, there's 3 for you off the shot because you open the screen. Come on, you need to stay higher.
If one player is going always in this way without the 9, this defense is a piece of shit. So, or we are following the rules and we go to the bench. I don't change my defense.
Please, share the ball easy, fast pass. During the week we talk about that.
They are pass to put the ball on the corner and attack the close-outs. First, okay? Good reaction, get there, and please shell right away.
Jugamos, no hay espacio para jugar así, coño. No podemos jugar fuera del sistema por nada. We need to change. Okay? Better body language, better mentality, play harder.
Okay, rival, guys.